Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Red Button Journal. I don't know if you can see behind me here, but I'm back in Cheswick, and I got to be honest with you, there's no place like home. It's good to be back, sleep in my own bed, and out this morning on a little walk. I'm going to take the short path this morning. I had one of my viewers from, I believe he lives in Canada, had asked about me shooting a little bit of the neighborhood around here, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up Brenton Hill and take the short path around to Cheswick and Dalvey. So here we go. Enjoy. For all you that were wondering, that last house that I showed you right there, that's top class bro, top class family. That's their house. So I go right by theirs on this little walk here. Anyhow, as I was talking about getting winded up in Smoky Vale on the big hills, saying I don't get winded around Cheswick. Well, here I am, getting winded going up the hill here. Boy, my legs were sore this morning though, after that walk up that hill yesterday. Boy, I had to do some extra stretches when I got up this morning. It's a beautiful morning here on Brenton Hill. There's some ladies along here doing some wash already this morning while it's nice and cool. So I already had a chance to say good morning to some folks. And even though this isn't one of these luxury neighborhoods, you can still see the beautiful vegetation. Really beautiful, really beautiful. Good morning. Uh-oh, the dogs are licking up a cat over here. It seems like the cat got the better of the dog. Yeah, you guys were chasing the cat, but the cat got the better of you. Yeah, that was funny. Oh, look how the dogs dig a hole down here to find a cool space. They got a regular tunnel down there. Oh boy. Oh, there's the puss. There's the puss. Managed to get over on the wall there. Try to escape from the dogs. I was talking about taking the short path, but I got interested in everything and went right past it. So let me turn myself around and head back to the short path. And see these dogs here that are getting scratched up by the young puss over here. Good morning. All right, I went way past the short path. Anyway, here's the short path. This will take me down into Dalvey. So that's where I'm heading, down the short path to Dalvey. Away we go. Kind of see it along through here. Kind of snakes through. I kind of have to watch my footing. I don't want to walk too slow, or probably the sand fleas will eat me up through here. It's been so humid and all, and I don't have any pants on. I don't have long pants on. I thought about putting long pants on because it's still pretty cool this morning. Although I'm sweating like crazy. I just sweat, you know, because I grew up in Colorado where it's real dry, and US, foreign, and I'm not used to this humidity. Although as time goes by, I get more and more used to it. And I just love it here. Oh, here's a goat having breakfast. He don't want to stick around and talk to me. He wants to go about his own breakfast without me interfering. And I can't hardly blame him. I see some school children down here waiting on the taxi to take them to school. Oh, there's a goat. There you go. See him in there? Having some breakfast. All right, well, let me go on down here. See what's going on. Down at the bottom of the short path here is the Cozy Corner Bar and Hotspot. You know, something I've really noticed about Jamaica, they don't have a lot of ready-made signs. If you're an artist in Jamaica, you do a lot of sign painting on these buildings, and the lettering and the pictures and such are just really beautiful. There's a lot of talented artists in Jamaica, I will guarantee it. Now over here, this is so cool. We got the Untouchable headquarters. Look at that. The Untouchable headquarters. How cool is that? Hot topic. Hot topic. Raise the bar. Rumor, oh, this is true. This is true here. Rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, accepted by idiot. That's true, man. That's true words right there. This is the famous Chinny Lawn right here. That's the entry to the Chinny Lawn right there. Very nice. Very cool. Well, here you got a place all painted up. Oh, how cool.
Have to have it in the bush, man.
The sand fleas were bothering me this morning. And the Rasta lady over here. Can you be on YouTube?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, the Rasta lady here, she got a little pot. And when she goes in the bush, she takes it along. And it's
smoke pot.
Yeah. And it's
sometimes the mosquitoes, because they're wicked ninja over there.
Oh, I bet. Yeah.
Over in the woodland.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because I have a skill on the fire.
Okay. Oh, you're doing a kiln. There's not enough smoke come off the kiln, or is it pretty smoke free?
It's good.
Yeah.
Exactly, no, it's steaming.
Oh, just steaming now.
Cooking.
Yeah. I did a kiln a couple years ago. The hardest work I did in my life.
It's hard to chew.
It's very hard. Oh my gosh, everything. And I swear I'm not used to humidity because I'm from foreign. Oh my gosh. It was hard work, but I did it. But I need to get one of these just to go on the road in the morning, you know? That's the way to go right there. And I get a little of that smell on my legs. They won't bother me now. Respect. Big up yourself. Rastafari. All right, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to leave it there this morning. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe to Red Button Journal.